we're gonna talk about this. Growing up in Philadelphia, skateboarding in the trenches is not easy, especially as a young black male. My age, I'm 24 now. I've been skating since I was about 12. Skateboarding saved my life, literally, and the whole community around it. People from the outside, people really don't understand skateboarding or skateboarders when they see us jumping around. They're like, oh, look at them. They don't know nothing. Go watch some videos, go see the art behind it. Come hang out. It's all family here, no race. My homie white, I'm black, Asian, but at the end of the day, we all skateboarders. And we come together and stay solid. That's what matters. Keeping it rolling, man, just making something happen out of nothing, you know? I found the skateboard, bam, changed my life. Skateboarding is an art form. Shout out to art form. A lot of people don't understand. They see us trying things back to back all day. They don't know that we filming for videos. We making art out of this. We coming from nothing. Trying them tricks all day, every day for what, 6 hours a day ain't easy. Skateboarding in Philadelphia means a lot. You got to tap in. It goes all the way back. I was born in 98. That era was the best. Shout out to all the OGs and a lot of people that's out here helping me still to this day. Josh Kalis, Stevie, DGK, Saved by Skateboarding. DGK, Dirty Ghetto Kids, if you don't understand, that's a Philly brand. And just like they say, DGK, Saved by Skateboarding. That's true. Helped me out in plenty of different ways. Meeting different people, going different places, just trying new things and hanging out and stuff, you know. It definitely gives you the rush to like, it definitely gives you the rush to go for adventures, you know. I got homies that don't want to try stuff. Then I got the homies that want to just find a spot, you know, find a skate spot, find something to skate, find something to do. If you're not willing, if you're not open to do that, you gotta open your mind up a little bit.
You
gotta make a raw edit for us.
Right, no, yeah. There we go.
Woo! Time to drink a beer.